Hey guys, this is Chris from RealTruck. We are inside SEMA 2018, checking out some of the great new products coming at you from Truck Hero. Right now we're in Superlift booth, and we actually have some really exciting news coming from that brand. So Mike, why don't you tell us a little bit about it?
Superlift is actually unveiling Black Diamond.
That's awesome. That's a brand we haven't heard
many
from
people know the name Black Diamond.
Yeah.
It comes back from when Superlift bought it from Warren back in the mid-90s, late 90s.
Sure.
They started working on it, making the premium brand of Jeep suspension. Now we're actually going after Jeep and truck.
Okay.
So, you know, when 08 happened, we kind of backed off the premium brand and just kind of put it in the closet. So last year, Truck Hero purchased Superlift from another company, and so we said, why not? So it is going to be our premium brand of suspension. Premium products, premium brand, premium coilover shocks, everything. So,
well, just taking a quick look at it, I mean, you can tell the quality is there. Heavy gauge steel, the King shocks, of course. You know, King being
everyone
what
knows
they
the
are.
King. King's won Baja a long time.
They're on almost every race truck in the Southwest. So yeah, why don't you tell us a little bit about what makes these kits?
Right here is our 2019 Chevy Silverado. We actually put a 6-inch. We developed a 6-inch kit for the Silverado right now. The good thing about our base suspension and our premium suspension is if a guy does see this and says, you know what, I got a base suspension with Superlift, I want that skid plate. He'll be able to do that.
Okay, nice.
He'll be able to incorporate some of the suspension pieces that you can't get with Superlift, but you can get with Black Diamond.
Okay.
Full-on adjustable King coilovers on the front and full resi adjustable rear shocks.
So they all do come with the remote reservoir.
Correct.
And the adjustable
and adjustability, yes.
Yeah, compression.
And you also have adjustable coil on the front.
Right, so you do get some adjustability in ride height, make up for, you know, if you add the bumper or something like that.
Correct.
Awesome.
So this kit actually has a full-on skid plate and a full belly pan compared to our base kit where it has a smaller belly pan and so on. To add a little bit of extra stability with this kit, we actually added 2 kicker braces to the front side.
Okay.
So
a little more rigidity in the front end.
Correct.
As you're, going off-road, kind of pounding on the truck a little bit.
Yep.
Nice.
So, you know, King is King. We did actually do a custom fab knuckle on this kit.
Okay.
Now again, we'll move forward with an iron cast knuckle for mass production for this kit. So.
And then if I'm not mistaken, all made in USA.
All of our fab
warranty.
pads, yes, all of our fab products are made in West Monroe, Louisiana.
Okay.
We do have suppliers from China to even in the United States. King is actually made in America 100%. They get all their products within a 50-mile radius from King.
That's awesome.
Using American-made products is the way we like to do it.
So tell us a little bit about the applications right now.
So right now we're actually working on launching about 6 to 7 applications, probably mid-year, late spring. One of them will be the Chevy Silverado, 2019 Ram, 2019 GMC Sierra, because it'll fit. Of course, there'll be 2 different wheel sizes for it.
Right.
And of course with the bigger brake packages. If you are buying the 2019 Chevy Silverado, definitely check the brake package that you get, because we did have an issue with wheel fitment.
Okay.
Suspension-wise, Jeep JL, probably Super Duty, F-150. So we'll have a handful of suspension packages for the current late model bodies, and then we'll start retrofitting some older, like the JKs, the 14 to 18 Chevy, and so on. So we'll get into Tundra. We'll have the HD kits for the GM trucks also.
Perfect.
So,
anything we haven't covered on this kit so far?
No, it's probably one of our sexiest looking kits that we've made in a long time.
Yeah, it's hard to argue with blue anodized shocks from King, certainly.
Yep. You pointed it out earlier, we're going to a thicker plate seal, more rigidity, more durability, more strength, and so on. So.
Great. All right, well, thanks for telling us all about the new Black Diamond lift kits from Superlift. Something that's really exciting coming out of SEMA, so we'll be staying tuned for more info. If you want to see more new products from SEMA 2018, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We'll see you in the next video.